Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to program 2014 Ford Taurus Key Fob full guide. Start by sitting in the driver's seat, doors closed, with the ignition key available. I will walk you through each step, including entering programming mode, syncing the fob, and testing locks and panic functions. I keep the pace slow enough to follow, and I'll mention common hiccups and quick fixes so you can finish confident and ready to test your fob. Before we begin, make sure you have both the working key and the new fob near you, and confirm the car battery is healthy. Gather any spare remotes and remove mobile devices that might interfere with signals. Close all doors and lock the trunk so the vehicle senses a secure state, and then I'll guide you through the ignition and button sequences needed to add the new fob smoothly and reliably. Now we'll walk through the exact sequence to program the fob. Insert the key, cycle the ignition OFF and RUN several times, then end in RUN to trigger programming mode. Next, press the car's lock button and within a few seconds press any button on the new fob to register it. I'll explain timing tips, what lights or sounds indicate success, and how to reattempt if the fob fails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.